Hi, I'm Ryan Nichols, CTO at DSA, and today I want to show you how to do irregular seakeeping motion analysis using the Generic Frigate in Shipmo 3D. In previous video tutorials, we'd already set up the Generic Frigate ship model, including the hull mesh as well as the appendages in the ship. And that's all you need to get going with the irregular sea state response. The Seakeep Random project has already been configured and set up for the Generic Frigate project. So in this case, we can go to Add Existing Data, Seakeep Random. We need to open that and make sure the file path has been set accurately based on where you've downloaded the file for the project that you've got on your computer. So we go OK. You can see now we have Seakeep Random opened up in a new panel. The ship for motion input file, we have to select that as this is the output from build ship. We go OK. That's our aggregate ship model with all the components. You can select a few different outputs here. There's rudder autopilot data if you want to make some more specific controls on how the ship is adjusted, and a lot of output options for the different key parameters of the system. You can select a range of ship speeds here and sea directions as well. This is where you can set the wave spectrum option. It's set with Brettschneider, or also known as Pearson-Moskowitz here, but there are a few other options, including a custom spectrum option, and of course the significant wave height and peak period. So click on Run. It's going through the load cases now. It's all done. So click on Plot Motion RAO. This is the RAO of the vessel in these conditions. You can click on the different forward speed options that are available and see how the conditions change, as well as sea direction changing. So 45 degrees shows some more interesting results. Important to this as well is the output option here. We have a lot of detailed text, including information on motion sickness index and vertical accelerations of the ship as well. There's lots of information in here. Motion sickness index you can see here. There's lots of other information that's very interesting in these different kinds of conditions. So it's pretty quick analysis to run, and that's what I wanted to show you right now, is where to find that information in Shipmo. Thanks for watching.